Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block sites to save data on your device in Opera GX on Windows 11 or 10 PC. A site you visit can save info about what you are doing so that it works as expected. For example, to keep you signed in to a site or to save items in your shopping cart. Often sites save this info temporarily on your device. In case you want, you can allow or block in Opera GX browser. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select this one settings option in the drop down menu. Under Opera GX settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, under privacy and security, click on this one site settings option. Then at the bottom, click on this one additional content settings. Again, scroll down at the bottom and click on this one on device site data. And then under default behavior, you can choose this one first option, allow sites to save data on your device. This will allow, and in case you want to block, just select this one third option and click on this one turn off button. This says don't allow sites to save data on your device. This option is not recommended because sites may not work as you would expect. You need to choose this one option if you don't want to leave information on your device about sites you visit.